Hey there, awesome 7th graders, ready to become a math whiz? Today we're diving into the world of lines and angles. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be an expert. All right, let's kick things off with lines. So what exactly is a line? Imagine it's a super stretchy rubber band that goes on and on forever in both directions. Cool, right? Now, lines can be straight or curved, but in math we mostly talk about straight lines. Now let's talk about line segments and rays. A line segment is like a piece of that rubber band, but with definite endpoints. Think of it as the shortest path between 2 points. On the flip side, a ray starts at one point and shoots off into infinity in one direction. It's like a laser beam. Next up, angles. An angle is formed when two rays or line segments meet at a common point called the vertex. Imagine opening a book. Where the pages meet the spine, that's your vertex, and the pages form the rays. Angles come in all shapes and sizes. We've got acute angles, which are less than 90 degrees. They're like a sharp slice of pizza. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees, like the corner of a piece of paper. And obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees, like a wide open door. And hey, if you ever get confused, just think of a protractor as your best friend. It's that half-circle tool that measures the degrees of an angle. Super handy. But here's the kicker, all these lines and angles are everywhere. Look around your room. The corners of your desk, right angles. The slices of your pizza, acute angles. The roof of your house, probably an obtuse angle. Now, if you're looking to practice and really nail this topic, check out Versatile Maths. It's got tons of cool exercises and games to make learning fun and easy. Imagine being able to tackle any math problem with confidence. So that's it for today. Remember, math isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding the world around you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll ace your 7th grade math in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome math tips.